Here, an equiangular hexagon has 6 120-degree angles, but its side lengths are not necessarily equal. It is inscribed in an equilateral triangle, and all side lengths are positive integers. How many different hexagons are possible? The 3 white corner triangles are all equilateral, so the side length of triangle ABC is 6. List all possible combinations of the side lengths of the 3 corner triangles. The sum of any 2 side lengths must be less than 6. Here, n factorial is the product of the first n positive integers. The superfactorial is the product of the first n factorials. How many factors of 7 are in the superfactorial of 51? Be careful, 49 contributes to factors of 7. As shown, 5 coins each have a diameter of 4 centimeters. They are arranged in 2 rows, with an elastic band wrapped tightly around them. What is the length of the band? The required length is 4 straight segments plus 4 arcs. The 4 arcs actually make one full circle. Here, the integers from 1 to 25 are divided into 5 groups of 5. What is the least possible value of the median of the 5 medians? To minimize the median of the 5 medians, we only need to minimize the medians of 3 groups. The third smallest median is the required value. We do not care about the medians of the other 2 groups. Here, a spider starts at an outer point of this star-shaped web. After 3 random moves, what is the probability that it ends at an outer point? Each outer point can only move to an inner point, but each inner point can move to either an outer point or an inner point with equal probability. These probabilities add up to 1, so no cases are missing. Here, gold coins are 1 millimeter thick, and silver coins are 3 millimeters thick. How many ways can Taylor make a stack of coins that is 8 millimeters tall? As shown, Luna runs 5 times faster than Miguel walks. How far has Miguel walked when Luna brings him the ball? Here, 60 can be written as the sum of 2 or more consecutive positive odd integers in increasing order. How many ways are there? Since 60 is even, the number of odd integers must be even, otherwise, their sum would be odd. Here, 4 students rearrange themselves so that no one sits next to the same person as before. How many rearrangements are possible? B and C each have 2 original neighbors. After the rearrangement, each can sit next to only the remaining students. Therefore, both B and C must sit at the ends. Here, consider all positive 4-digit integers using only even digits. What fraction of them are divisible by 4? Let's list a few numbers first and look for a pattern. Both the 10's digits and the 1's digits have 5 choices: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. No matter what the thousands and hundreds digits are, the last 2 digits have the same 25 combinations. Each cube has 2 adjacent gray faces. Glue them together so that no gray faces are visible. What is the minimum number of cubes? Three equally spaced integers are on the number line. The first 2 sums to 40, the last 2 sums to 60. Find the sum of all 3 numbers. Here, the wall is tiled with 1 by 1 unit squares, as shown. Find the area of the large shaded square. As shown, each circle contains a different digit from 1 to 6. The number in each square is the sum of the numbers in the 2 neighboring circles. We need to find the number in the top circle. Finally, both paths lead to the same circle, so the values must be equal. This approach does not work, so look at the largest sum, 10. The adjacent digits must be 6 and 4. They cannot both be 5. The bottom left circle must be 6. It cannot be 4, or the 2 circles next to 8 would both be 4. As shown, there are 5 squares and a spiral. Each segment of the spiral is a quarter circle arc. Five runners in a marathon. Nico finished 11 minutes behind Pedro. Olympia finished 2 minutes ahead of Melina, but 3 minutes behind Pedro. Olympia finished 6 minutes ahead of Luke. There's nothing special here, just simplify it. Here, in a poll, 74% answered yes. What is the fewest possible number of people surveyed? It cannot be reduced any further, otherwise, the number of people would not be an integer. Here, Mika rode 40 miles into trips. She used a half and 3/10 of the total battery power. The question asks how many miles this bike can go on a fully charged battery. As shown, the question asks what fraction of the entire field Peter can reach to pick blackberries. The reachable area is shaded. Calculating the shaded area directly is easy to get wrong. Subtraction is better. Here, Casey went on a 100-mile trip, took a lunch break, 3 hours total, 40 mph average driving speed. How long was the lunch break? Bryn's savings. In July, down 20%. In August, up 50%. Here, Haruki has a 24 centimeters wire and wants to bend it into each of the following shapes. Here, find the sum of the numbers. You can calculate it step by step, or look for a pattern to speed it up.